$200 Sephora shopping spree, and my order just came in, so let's do a little unboxing. So I brought the camera into the bathroom because that's where we do our makeup, right? This is where we dive into the makeup routine. And I figured I would not only show you everything I got in this $200 haul, but also explain to you why I got some of the products, show you how these products look,
and just give you like a
full deep dive into everything that I got. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the 2 restocks that I got for products that I've already been using and loving. And those 2 restocks are, I got a restock of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Foundation. As you can see, I've been using this a lot. You literally like can't even see the writing on it anymore. And I use the shade 2.5, which is Fair Pale, which as you can see, matches my skin. And I am not out of this yet, but this is literally the best foundation I've ever used. It just makes my skin look glowy, flawless. It covers my breakouts, but it also just adds a little bit of a glow to my skin. I will show you, I'm going to apply it now.
And so
I was like, you know what? I need to restock this because I never want to run out. I never want to be doing my makeup and then be like,
oh no,
I ran out of this. This is a product that for me has changed
the game for my makeup routine. I've never felt so confident
before finding this exact foundation. So I will be using this forever in perpetuity, and I realized restocking was the smart thing to do so I never run out. So this is what it looks like in the box. Let's see, Hollywood Flawless Filter. This stuff is quite literally liquid gold, so let me put it on and show you how it applies.
Also, I'm like so hot, so we're gonna...
So I have my Flawless filter, the one that is open and I've been using, and you'll see here 2.5. I am going to put this on so you guys can see how it looks, and I'm gonna stick this in here, which is where I kind of put all my like little makeup restock things. So this is the brush.
I shouldn't call it a brush. This is like the stick.
The application stick. I don't know why I tend to like just do like draw like an X over each cheek. Kind of do the same on my forehead, do one down. And I'll just kind of like,
as you can see, apply it
pretty much everywhere. And then I take this trusted brush and brush it all in. Okay, so this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. Product number 1. The second thing that I got, I told you, is another restock. So I restocked my Fenty Beauty Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner in Chrome Wrecker. It is silver, and I am almost out of it. So here is my Fenty Beauty Fly Pencil. Hopefully this looks the same. Yes! Okay, so this is my restocked pencil, and again, since I'm not fully out of this, I'm gonna just go sit this in the cabinet, but I will apply this so you can see how awesome this looks because it totally makes my eyes pop. This is product number 2, Fenty Beauty Chrome Wrecker Eye Pencil. Hold on, let me like use the regular mirror and then I'll show you.
I feel like you can't really see it.
Let's like get a lot closer. Okay, there you go. This is very close up, but you can see the silver. So yeah, that is product number 2. Moving on in the Sephora haul, I got 2 brushes.
I got a
smudge brush, which is meant for eyeshadow.
And I got myself
the 22 Pro brush liner. This is like an eyeliner brush. So this is the 22 and it is called the Eyeliner Pro Brush Liner. We've got this and we've got the smudge brush. They are both Sephora brand. So this is the smudge brush and the eyeliner brush. And the reason why I got both of these brushes is because I have this amazing new eyeshadow from About Face Beauty that I've been using. I've been playing around with it and having a really good time. And I want to start to play around more with kind of doing different types of the eyeshadow. Like I want to play around with smudging it. It's a matte eyeshadow paint. So I will show you. Bought it in a 3-pack. Here is one of the colors. So it is the About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint. And so you can kind of just get a sense. They're really bright colors.
And it goes on like this, so I'm looking forward to using a brush.
Particularly the smudge brush to smudge out when it's on my eyes for when I want to use it for eyeshadow, kind of create a smudge effect. Obviously, using my finger doesn't create the desired effect. I've been trying, it hasn't been working, hence why I bought the smudge brush. And the other brush that I bought is the liner brush so that I can use it to create a little liner. So that is what I'm going to try to do right now. I'm going to attempt to use the 22 brush for the first time and do a little bit of colored eyeliner. Before I do, let me open up both brushes. My little smudge brush and my liner brush. This is the brush.
And let's see how it goes.
Pro tip, what I will do is I take this little thing directly out of the eyeshadow and I will take the liner brush and I will actually tap the liner brush
Against this little brush.
which you can see has that glossy product on it. So literally tap, tap, tap. Now you can see the liner brush has that blue on it. It worked! Obviously, since it's my first time using this,
I need a little bit more practice. I will definitely get better.
as I go. There's a lot of product right now, like all over the brush, so I'm trying to clean it off and wipe it off with my fingertips. And actually, I will show you guys my absolute favorite
Brush cleaner.
that I like to use that is like non-toxic, very clean beauty, in case you are in the market for a good brush cleaner. I didn't get this off Sephora, and this isn't a new purchase, but just as a little
Kind of caveat, since we're talking makeup and we're talking about
investing in your makeup. Here's the cool thing about Face. Literally, I smudged it on my hand, like it's not going anywhere. That stuff is matte, like it is gonna dry onto my eyelids, and until I scrub that off.
it is not moving, it's not smudging, it's really, really nice like that.
Anyway, I'm gonna use the Eco Tools Makeup Brush Shampoo.
And literally what I will do in instances like this is I just like
Put some on my hand actually, and then I just go like that and like rub the brush in the shampoo on my hand.
and then
I'll run it under water to finish washing it. So I'm gonna go wash this brush and then we're gonna continue in our Sephora haul. Moving right along, now that we have unboxed 4 of the things in our $200 Sephora haul, the most expensive thing in the haul was absolutely the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation. That is like $50.
just that one product.
So that was definitely a bulk of the haul, whereas the rest of the products, the makeup brushes were like, one of them I think was like 12, one I think was like 13, and the eyeliner and then these last 4 products were all between, I would say, $20 and $25. A lot of them were like $24, $23. So these are the last 4 products in the Sephora haul. So obviously I got 8 things for a total of $213 with tax and shipping. The next products that I want to unbox, first we're gonna go with the Rare Beauty blush. So I already have the Rare Beauty blush in the color Joy, which I freaking love. And so I decided to go with a little bit of a softer, more muted pink this time and get the Hope color.
So let's try it on.
I love these little bulb tops. So cute. My little tip with Rare Beauty blush is a little bit goes a long way, which is really nice because it makes them super economical. So what I will do, I'll do a little dot. dot. I will first grab my little beauty blender. And first I'll just kind of like pat it on my cheeks, and then I'll grab this brush to blend it.
I'm wondering if I want one more little dot.
Yeah, we can get away with that. Do one more. And what I'll do with the second one is I won't use a beauty blender to blend the second one. I will use a different brush. This is a brush from Ilia. This is the Perfect Blush brush. And I will tap like this and then blend. Oh, it's so cute. It's such a nice subtle pink. Oh, I love it. Okay, we are down to our final 3 products. As you can see, we have 2 Summer Fridays lip butter balms and a little Glossier perfume. So I'm going to try one of the Summer Fridays lip butter balms first. I already have 2 Summer Fridays lip butter balms. I have the regular vanilla as well as the pink sugar. These are the best lip butter balms I've ever used. I'm obsessed with this. It's like the best lip gloss, so you know your girl had to splurge and get 2 more. Because here's the thing, fall is here. We want to be able to play around, mix and match with our makeup looks, all the stuff. So I couldn't resist. So I first got the Vanilla Beige. So let's try that first. This is supposed to be like the vanilla, but a little bit darker.
Which I think is gonna be perfect for fall.
You can see it's a little bit of a darker color. Oh, it looks so good. Wow. It comes on as a little bit of a darker clear, if that makes sense. Like it adds a tiny bit of tint. Oh, I love it, and they taste so good. And they just make your lips look so kissable. So let me wipe this one off so that I can try on the other one that I got, and this one is the Poppy color / flavor. I hate to do this and like waste product, but the things we do for YouTube. Okay, so now we're gonna try the Summer Fridays Poppy flavor / color. Oh, how fun. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm gonna put a tiny more. Ah!
Oh my god, I love it.
It's like a nice reddish. Hopefully you can see the difference between this one and the Vanilla Beige, because they definitely are different. The Vanilla Beige comes on like super clear and muted, whereas this is a nice little pop of
like a deep pink / a light red.
oh, it's so fun. The final item in the haul is this little Glossier You perfume. I got a little roller perfume because I have been dying to have some perfume to wear for going out, to have something easy to stick in my bag, and I have heard the best things about this, so let's try. I'm gonna be, oh, I was just gonna say I'm gonna be so mad if I don't like it. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, this is the best perfume in the world. Like I might need a full-size bottle immediately. Oh my god. Go get this roller perfume if you are in the market for a roller perfume. It is subtle, it's fresh, it's a tiny bit floral, but not at all overly floral. When I tell you, this is exactly what I was hoping for. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That was the most successful Sephora haul I've ever done. I am so excited about the 8 things that I got. I know I'm going to use all of them.
A lot.
So if you guys like this, hit the thumbs up. If you guys want to see more haul videos, definitely let me know because I will be sure to do more of these for you guys. And let me know which product I got that you are the most excited about or curious to try out yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!